So after surgery, depending on what type of surgery, recovery sometimes can be really rough. So when they come home, have it cleaned before and have other people to help you with your other tasks, because your focus is going to definitely be on helping the child recover. Have somebody designated to help you with meals, with laundry, with if you have other kids, to have that in place, that there's someone going to be dedicated to pick them up, drop them off. Definitely don't forget to eat, and don't forget to take care of yourself, because your child needs you now, more than ever, for sure.
Family is an interesting thing when it comes to surgery. People want to come and visit during the recovery period. What you need to really talk through and think about is what kind of support is best from family. Post-surgery, maybe you just want some quiet time. You just want to have a schedule down so they can sleep whenever they want to. Be confident that you can go back to your family and say, look, we're not having visitors for another week. It's really important that you set those boundaries, you build the environment that is best for you mentally to manage post-surgery, but also physically for your child to recover.
It's probably better to listen to the doctor's advice. If you need a certain amount of rest, or don't return to physical activities until a certain number of time, follow that. We've had some complications where we've gone back to sport too early and have had to go back in to have additional surgery. So follow the advice that is given to you for rest and recovery.
With a child going into surgery, there is going to be more times often than not that something might not go to plan. One of the important things that we did as a family is to always keep a positive mindset, always ask your questions, take a breath, be calm, and trust your sick kids team.
When a surgery doesn't go as planned, the first wave of emotions are always going to be anger, shock, what went wrong. But you have time with your care team. They come into the room after the surgery, they sit you down, they talk you through what happened. If you need to take some time to process what happened, tell them you need to take some time to process, but ask them to come back and talk to you about it so that you're not lingering with questions. So it could be 5 minutes, take a walk, go down the hall, come back. Ask them the questions that'll make you feel more comfortable. But during that entire time, give yourself grace in that you are reacting the only way you know how.
At the end of the day, it's him that's going through the situation. So I've always advocated for him to be honest with how he's feeling and really use his voice.
Giving them the language to express what type of pain it is. Giving them the confidence that there is nothing wrong with telling me that something hurts. It's also important that you don't question your own concerns. If something is happening that you don't feel comfortable with, it's sitting in your gut, make that phone call. Go to the emergency room. Visit that doctor, because you never know what's going to happen.
Shower your child with love, because they're not going to be feeling too great, and the extra love, the extra cuddles, and I will hold Daniel and cuddle him no matter how big he is. He's bigger than me, but I still do that.
Trust the staff. Everybody at Sick Kids is absolutely amazing and has the best interests of your child at heart. Listen to your child and reassure the child that everything is going to work out for them.
Just take it day by day. It may seem like a lot in the beginning, especially aftercare, depending on the surgery or the procedure. There could be lots and the scars and, like I say, the aftercare, dressing changes, things like that. But just try and take it day by day, because it will get easier over time. Just trust the process, trust your team, the nurses, the staffs, everyone, and you will get through it.